777 Eco-Scale is equivalent in strength to other descalers on the global market, but at an extremely competitive price point. It provides most of the same credentials and usability of 777 Enviro-Scale for the marine, industrial and services market. 777 Eco-Scale is non-dangerous and safe to use on most surfaces, including rubbers. 777 Eco-Scale is ideal for removing limescale and calcium deposits from marine equipment, cooling towers and other cooling systems, anywhere you might have scale build-up in a general industrial application, being the most economical descaler available today. An application example includes water authorities removing limescale build-up from their pipework within water treatment systems without using traditional acid-based solutions. They needed a product that reduced risk to personnel, extends the life of their equipment and was safe for the environment. The client mixed 20 litres of 777 Eco-Scale with 70 litres of water, recirculated it through pipework and pumps for 40 minutes and successfully removed the scale build-up from their lime dosing systems. Using the product meant that the risk of corrosion to the equipment and injury to personnel were effectively removed.